5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 80 to crest and stay right on small crest 100. 100 to 4 left up. 4 left up 80. 80. Short 5 right, don't cut. And flat crest. And 2 left into crest. Only 60, turn hairpin right. Watch the gravel on the inside. Done. And 1 left, 100, go from here now. I'll go, keep her flat here now. 100, 1 left past junction, 60. Long 1 left, continues for 100. 80, 1 left, 60. Fast 4 right, opens to 1. Fast 4 right, opens to 1. And inside now, watch the gravel. Flat crest, 170, bump bridge. There's the bridge, 1 left out of it. 130 up middle. Square left, don't cut. Should be grippy here. 150. 150 to square right, watch the gravel on the square right. 200 out of it. 200. Well done there. Tight 3 left. 60. Stay right on crest, 60. Caution, long 3 left. And turn 5 left, don't cut. Gravel, turn 5 left, don't cut. It's messy here. And 5 left at house. And 4 right, go. 4 right, go, 250. Oh, keep her pin now, 250. Crest, 4 left. 3 right over crest, don't cut. And flat crest, 40. 1 left into flat crest. And 1 right jump. And 1 right, 1 left up. 60. Long flat crest, 80. Care, 4 left, don't cut, 4 right kink. 130 out of this. Done. Stay left on flat crest. 1 right. 60. 1 left. 400. Middle over flat crest at the water tower up here now. Just keep her handy on the bumps. 250 over rough. And crest. Fast 3 left. 170. To chicane, right entry, 4 bales. Keep it neat in the chicane. I'll stick on the horn for this fill in a second. And left on crest, 3 right down. Remember this bit now, watch your braking coming down here. 130. Crest, 150 down. Bus stop, left entry. Watch the gold brakes. 100 out of it. And 100, flat crest. 150 down. Short 5 left, brake early. Brake early. 80 out of this. Caution, late 2 right and 4 left. And long 5 right. Again in here. And short 5 left. 230. 4 left, 3 right kink. Watch the gravel. 230. 4 left, 3 right kink. 170 out of this. 170. Tight, 3 left, don't cut. And 1 right. 100 down. 2 right, don't cut. 150. Repeats, 150, 2 right rough. Watch the rough stuff. That's the job. 350. 4 left at the end. Let the rubber down, little big grip here for the braking. 100. And crest. Caution, watch this one now. Caution, crest and 4 right down, watch.
Yeah.
And fast 3 right, don't cut. 40. Caution, very long 2 left into turn square right. Could be messy up here. And 2 right. Done. 100. Short 4 left, don't cut. 40. 2 left. Into fast 3 right, don't cut. And long crest 1 left, 60 over left. Late fast 4 right. 170 down middle. 4 left, don't cut at the wall, see the chevron. 100 out of this. Long fast 3 right. And crest 2 right. 40 rough. 2 right. 250 down, turn square right. See it? See it, looks a bit clean. 400 bumps out of this. Well done it. One left, bad bumps. 400 bumps. Turn 5 right, narrows. Turn 5 right, narrows up here. Braking. 80 out of it. Done. 4 left, 100, turn 5 right around Bales. And a long 4 right, 80. 2 left, 80. 2 left, nips. Nips, 170. Very long fast 3 right, opens to 1 past the walls. Very long fast 3 right, opens to 1 here. 200. Very long 1 left. See it? Very long 1 left. 80 out of this. Care long 2 right. Late 4 left. Late 4 left. 40. Fast 3 left, opens to 2, very long. Fast 3 left, opens to 2, very long. 60. 1 right. 250. It's going well then. 2 right, 170, go all flat to the chicane. So 2 right here, keep the throttle down. 1 left, 100, chicane, right entry, 4 bales. Done. And 40. And 5 right, don't cut at that bale. 250 out of this. Done. This is stuff by 250. Long 1 left, 350. 350. Tight 3 left and 2 right. Tight 3 left and 2 right. 100. Turn square left, bale inside. Square left, bale inside. It's even. 60. Flat crest and 1 left over crest and 1 right. Right on crest, into left on crest, only 80 down, square left at the bottom. Watch the grass, this gets messy kind of in here now.
Yep.
Into very short 5 right gravel and 1 left, into 3 left, watch the gullies, and long 2 right, keep it neat here now, and 2 left, 1 right continues over crest, into big don't cut, 2 left, 2 right. Really don't cut this one now. 2 left, 2 right, caution short 4 left, 150, flat crest, 250, fast 4 left up, and long 1 right continues over crest, 100, 1 right into 2 right, danger, crest, and short 5 right at the gate. So that's just the danger crest. 5 right. 60. Tight 3 left at the wall, and small crest into 2 left. 80 down to a square right into a square left. Keep it neat through these. And 130 down gravel. 5 right into short 5 left and 3 left into crest 3 left. 60. Turn square right down, don't cut. 60 out of this to flat jump. Flat jump and 1 right small jump. 100. Very long 2 right. 60. 3 right and crest 3 left. There's your 3 right here and crest 3 left and into tight 3 right. Crest jump and 2 left into long and fast 3 left in. Long fast 3 left in. Crest jump into 1 left 100 down to caution late 5 right opens to 3. Late fast 4 left in past junction and fast 3 left into very long 2 left and slow 3 right down quad at the wall and turn short square left. 80 slow 3 right down quad, turn short square left, 60 caution 5 left and 3 left down quad. 60, 1 left and 2 right. 100, 4 right stay in, 4 right stay in and 2 left. 250, all go for me, so all go up to the crest now and a fast 3 wide. There's our fast 3 right, 100 out of it and all go then to the finish. 100, 1 left into crest and very long 2 right nips all flat, 200 to the finish. Go on, keep it.